Hello and welcome to this AB Tutor Tips video. After last week's video on the lesser known features of the watch action, I'm going to follow up with a dive into the demo action. To get started, select the client or clients you want to demo to, and then click the button on either the right or top panels. A dialog box opens showing the clients your demo will be broadcast to. You can remove clients from this list by right-clicking on them and selecting Remove, and you can add additional clients by dragging them from the main window. When you start the demo, the status column will update so you can be sure that everyone is receiving your broadcast. We then get onto the options under the list. Send audio allows you to push the sound from your computer along with the demo. Note that this won't transmit sound from your microphone, this is for any sounds that are played by the computer, such as the audio part of a video or sound effects in a presentation. You can also set the console to automatically minimize when the demo starts, which allows you to hide the console easily if you only have one monitor and so are broadcasting the same screen that you use AB Tutor on. Next up is the capture area. This allows you to specify what you transmit to your clients. The default will send your entire desktop or monitors. If your clients have the same number of screens and at the same resolution, this works very well as the two will match up perfectly. Often, however, it's more convenient to broadcast a single monitor, perhaps because you're only showing your clients a single application, because the screen sizes don't match up, or because your second screen is used for a projector. To do this, select the middle option and then choose which monitor you wish to broadcast. AB Tutor will automatically display numbers on your monitors so you can easily tell which is which. Just select the appropriate monitor from the list. The final option, Capture Selected Area, allows you to choose exactly how much of your screen or screens is sent to your clients. This could be useful if you had a PowerPoint presentation running and you wanted to send the slides but not the notes underneath them, or if you want to show a specific window on your computer. To use this, select the option, then click Select Area. A semi-transparent window will appear. Drag and resize this until it covers the area you wish to show, then click Pick Area. If you wish, you can turn off the transparency effect by clicking the box at the bottom. The final set of display options allows you to choose how the demo will appear on your client's computers. The default will display it centered on their screen, as large as possible. This works well if they have a single screen, or if they have the same number of screens at the same resolution as the console computer. However, if they have two screens and you broadcast a single screen, this option will lead to it being split across the join. In this instance, we recommend using the second option, which will make the demo as big as possible on the client's primary monitor. In both these cases, the client computer will be locked, preventing the user from using the computer for anything else while the demo is running. If you want your client users to be able to use their computers, perhaps to allow them to follow along with what you're demonstrating, you can use the third option, the windowed demo. This will display your demo to them in a small window which they can resize and move around. The demo window will always appear on top and they won't be able to close it, however other than that it allows them to place it wherever is convenient. Once you're ready to start the demo, simply click the Start button and use your computer as normal. Once you've finished, click the Stop Demo button and the broadcast will finish. That's the easy bit. The next feature I'm going to cover is a sort of combination of the watch and demo features. Exhibit allows you to show one client screen to the rest of the group, perhaps because they're doing a presentation or because you want to show off their work. To use this, select the client you want to involve and click the Exhibit button. You can add audio to the exhibit by ticking the box, and then when you're ready, select the client you wish to show and click Start Exhibit. This will open their device in a watch session on your computer and broadcast their screen as a full screen demo to the other clients you had selected. When you're ready to end the exhibit, either close the watch window or click the Stop Exhibit button and the console will return to the exhibit dialog box. I hope this video has been useful in explaining demo and exhibit in a bit more detail. However, if you have any further questions, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll do everything we can to help. Thanks for watching.